Mr. Rubik, is that some kind of Russian name? Mr. Rubik, I think I'll soon serve me. Your cube's a mystery to me.
Det är en het och vacker junidag när deltagarna anländer till den ungerska huvudstaden och mjukar upp. Professor Rubiks kub sysselsätter folk i hela världen, inte bara när de vrider fram dess mönster. Den har också blivit föremål för ett otal artiklar i tidningar och böcker, till och med en doktorsavhandling. Den har hamnat på frimärken. Det har bildats kubensällskap och kubenförbund. Och det har skrivits en låt om Mr. Rubik and his Cubic som blivit populär i många länder och hamnat på hitlistor. Vi hör den här i bakgrunden. Tävlingen invigs med ett party där en tårta, naturligtvis i form av kuben, är mest framträdande rätt. Och den som först sätter spaden i tårtan är uppfinnaren, professor Rubik själv förstås.
Estét kívánok, kedves nézők, ez egy világműsor. És miután világműsor, már most az elején elnézést kérek önöktől, a világ nagyon sok televíziójában fogják levetíteni. És az volt ezeknek a televízióknak a kérése, hogy angolul folyjék a műsorvezetés. Természetesen azért magyarul is hallható lesz majd, de itt a helyszínen, a Vigadóban mindez angolul történik. So, hello everybody. Welcome to the first ever Rubik Cube World Championship to be held in Hungary's beautiful capital city of Budapest. The first ever Rubik Cube World Championship. Where else could it be held but in the country, in the city, where the inventor himself lives? The inventor of the puzzle of puzzles, the inventor of the ultimate puzzle, the inventor of the famous Rubik Cube, which many people call the most maddening puzzle. The president of the jury is the inventor, Professor Ernő Rubik. I would like to introduce the referee to you, Mr. Peter Sanderson from Great Britain. According to our rules, the competitors are now warming up, but the cubes are already here. They are in sealed cases, all on the table in front of the jury. In the presence of a lawyer, they have been sealed and now they will be opened. So I ask the lawyer and I ask the jury to open the first case. So according to the jury's decision, it can be used. Thank you very much. Referee, please. So people will come up to this cube and they will pick their cubes from the sealed and now opened case. 19 champions, champions of 19 countries of 3 continents are starting now. They are bidding for the first ever world title in the Rubik Cube World Championship. Luc van Latham. Luc van Latham has a personal best of unbelievable 14 seconds. Hello, nice to see you. How are you this morning?
I'm a bit nervous.
A bit nervous.
A great bit nervous.
Do you think that you can surpass your 14 seconds?
No.
No, you don't.
No way.
Come on, now you have 15 seconds to study your cube.
15 seconds to pick it up.
Pick it up, please. He doesn't even want to have the 15 seconds. He had only 10 seconds. Right? On your marks. On your marks. That's remarkable that he didn't want to have the 15 seconds.
Go.
3, 2, 1, go. 25 years of age, he's a student. He lives in Krainam, near to Brussels. His main hobby is the study of electronics, and his best official time for solving the cube is 14 seconds, which is the 3rd time here. Although in private he has recorded even a faster time. He has also managed to solve 100 cubes in 54 minutes during one continuous attempt, which achieved national publicity for this likable cubist. 8 now. It's down. 32.92 seconds. The referee is looking at it. Is that correct, Mr. Sanderson? Let's have a look at the Hungarian champion. 3, 2, 1, go. I must tell you that his best personal time is 29 seconds, which is not among the best time here. It's only the 16th in the field. He's a 26-year-old mechanician from Nyíregyháza, a town in East Hungary. He lists his hobby as listening to music, particularly foreign rock groups, and he has a large collection of records and cassettes of his name. 24.49. Gratulálok! Van a hazai pályának előnye? And the champion of the United States is ready for his attempt at the World Championships in Budapest. 3, 2, 1, start! Mintai attends Eagle Rock High School in Los Angeles, California, and intends to study electrical engineering at university next year. He arrived in the United States 3 years ago with his family from Vietnam. He first saw the cube in June 1981 and solved it within 7 days of purchase in under 2 minutes. Mintai became American national champion in front of 30 million viewers on the top-ranking TV show That's Incredible, with a time of 26:06, nearly the same as achieved here in Budapest. 27:16. The next competitor here would be the representative of Japan, Kenichi Ueno. Study the cube for 15 seconds, please. Kenichi Ueno is 18 years old. He was born on the 6th of October in 1963, and it's quite remarkable. It is the first ever time in the history of these 18 years of his life that he's abroad. It's back on the table, and the champion of Japan will start his attempt for the World Championship, for the world title in Budapest now. 3, 2, 1, go. Kenichi Ueno is a student at Sapporo Yobigaku in pre-university school at Hokkaido, near where the 1972 Winter Olympic Games were held in Sapporo City. He lives in the suburb of Tomakomai and lists his hobbies as solving quizzes and puzzles and listening to synthesized theme music. His best time for solving the cube is 16 seconds, the 4th best among these competitors. 27:56, 3rd best time. Congratulations. Congratulations. 3rd best time. Last competitor of the first round, the champion of the Netherlands, the Dutch champion, Mr. Guus Schulz. Study the cube for 15 seconds. Using only 14 seconds of the possible 15, it's back in the tray, and he's ready for his attempt at the World Championship with a personal best of 17:33, the 6th best time of the present world rankings. Guus Razu Schulz, 3, 2, 1, start. Born on the 2nd of February in 1965, so he's 17. He attained his 17:33 with a smooth cube, as he's saying. He's a student of mathematics. His hobbies, apart from playing with the Rubik cube, is guitar and competitive swimming. His best official recorded time for solving the cube is 46 seconds. With the... Oh, 24:32. The best time. Congratulations.
Just let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait, because I see here some minor... Well, the referee is taking it to Mr. Rubik. I hope it will be accepted. Let's wait for the decision. Okay. So it is accepted. The standings after the first round. Kellene mutatnod az állást. In the first place, the champion of Holland, Guus Brazu Schulz, time 24.32 seconds. In the second place, Mr. Zoltán Lábas, Hungary, champion of Hungary. Time is 24.49 seconds. There is a difference of 0.17 of a second between the first and the second. On the third place, the champion of the United States, Mr. Ming Tai. His time is 27.16. And now it's becoming a very sharp competition with the champion of Canada, Mr. Duc Trinh. "15 seconds for the champion of Canada." Yes, sir. It's over. He is 15th after round number 1 with a time of 37.44. And now ready for his attempt in round number 2. 3, 2, 1, start. Born in Saigon in 1967, Duc Trinh attends Margaret Avenue School in Ontario and lives in the suburbs of Kitchener. He's a keen athlete originating from Vietnam. His hobbies are high jumping, basketball, volleyball, swimming, and of course doing the cube. He won his place here in Budapest in the World Finals by taking the Canadian national title in a time of 26 seconds, which is just now, just over par, 26.63. A tremendous applause for the Canadian champion, and look at the time. This is the third best time, so he's up on the rostrum now, after the champion of Holland and after the champion of Hungary. Our next competitor here tonight is the champion of England, the champion of Great Britain, Mr. Julian Chilvers. Don't break the cue, please. 15 seconds for studying. Yes, sir. Sixth place after round number 1 with a very fast time of 30.59 seconds. Julian Chilvers, a 15-year-old student from Great Britain. Ready for his attempt at the World Championship. 3, 2, 1, start. He plays chess, bridge, snooker, badminton, plays the violin in a local orchestra, intends to study towards a career in physics and electronics. He won the British national time, 25.79, which is a better time, a very, very good time he achieved here, 25.95 seconds, the third time here. Do you know? And now, the competitor who was leading for a while, the champion of the United States, Mr. Ming Tai. The rules are the same. You will have 15 seconds to have a look at it. After round number 1, he was on the 3rd place with a time of 27.16. But now, after attempts by some of the competitors in the 2nd round, he's not on the rostrum anymore. So he's not among the best 3 now. Of course, he would like to come back. Will he be able or not? We will see. 3, 2, 1, start. Mintai, 16 years of age, living in Los Angeles, California. He came to the United States 3 years ago with his family from Vietnam. He first saw the cube in June 1981 and solved it within 7 days of purchase in under 2 minutes. And now 2095. The best ever time achieved here. Congratulations. Congratulations. Come on here. Come here. Come here. Look, all these people are reporting to you. Was it a difficult combination?
It was almost the same. I mean, it's not easy or not really more difficult.
When you watched the cube, when you studied the cube, what were your ideas? Did you think that you can have such a good time?
No.
You didn't. Tell me,
I had to concentrate.
Yes, if you compare it to the combination you had to solve at the Championship of the United States, was this one more difficult or that one?
They both.
They were
medium.
Medium.
Yeah.
All the cubes in, having the same combination given to the referee, Mr. Lars Petrus, Sweden. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh, very fast. Oh, very fast. Just missed. Look, look. 24.49 and 24.57. Just 8 seconds. That's what I call bad luck. This is because of number 13, isn't it? And now, whether he's second or whether he's third, this is the question. Champion of Holland, Mr. Guus Razu Schulz. 3, 2, 1, start. He must be faster than 22.95. The excitement of all excitements. The most exciting 23 seconds of this championship. 22.95. 22.95. 22.95. It's fast. But a very good time. A very good time. But only second. Only second. This gentleman here is the silver winner. Just wait a minute. There is something wrong. Excuse me.
I think there's some problem with the watch. The watch didn't stop.
Yes, but I think even if it had stopped, it would have been slower than the first time.
It was 26 seconds.
It was at about 26. But it doesn't influence his final standing because there is only one competitor after him and he's in front of him.
I understand, but
I think shall we repeat or
no.
just a remark?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So ladies and gentlemen, this gentleman here is the second of this World Championship. This is absolutely sure. I congratulate you. Thank you. according to the rules, you have to perform. So you are the world record holder, you are the world champion, but you can become a new world record holder. So, well, I suggest, now let's watch whether he can beat himself, whether he can achieve an even faster time, now that he knows that he's already winner. 15 seconds. Fine. So, the very, very last attempt of the first ever Rubik Cubes World Championship held in Budapest, and the very last attempt will be made by the reigning world champion, Mr. Min Tai, United States. 3, 2, 1, start. Fine, 27.97. 27.97 seconds. The world champion standing here on stage. What is your first reaction now? You have won a world's title here in Budapest, in the country where the inventor lives. Have you expected to become a world champion in Budapest?
Well, it was a very tough competition, but I was pretty optimistic to win the competition anyway, but I didn't really expect it.
Which combination of the three was the most difficult for you?
They are the same.
All the same?
Yeah.
Were they all the same? Could you now, at the third attempt, concentrate as hard as at the second and as at the first attempt, after knowing that you are already winner?
Well, if you didn't tell me I won, then I would have concentrated more.
I congratulate you. Thank you for competing in Budapest. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the final minutes, the final seconds, the victory ceremony. Champions of 19 countries have been participating here, have been bidding for the world title. I ask the inventor of this puzzle, of this magic cube, Mr. Ernest Rubik, the president of the jury, to tell us the official results of the first ever World Championships.
The world champion, 1982, winner of the gold cube, Min Tai from United States of America. Winner of the silver cube, Russell Schultz, Holland. Winner of the bronze cube, from Hungary, Labar Zoltan.
An extra present, not a prize, a present by the inventor, by Professor Ernest Rubik. Traditional Hungarian-style chessboards to the world champion and to the last place competitor, Mr. Joseph Treiber from Austria. A commemorative plaque to all of the 19 national champions who competed here for the world title in Budapest at the first ever Rubik's Cube World Championship. And that's all. That's the last minute, the last picture from Budapest. Thank you for watching us. And come again when we are having the championships again in Budapest. Bye-bye.
Harmonize the colors of your life, for the face of the cube to be alive. You can twist, twiddle, and fiddle.